In this video, I'll show you how to show ruler bar in Microsoft Word. So this video basically is an educational video, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So for you to make this happen, you're going to click on this your view, right? You're going to click on this show ruler, right? You can click it, it can be on, it can be off, right? So this is basically how you can show the ruler bar in your Microsoft Word. So this is basically a very simple tutorial video, right? So ensure you go to my channel and watch through the other videos I've made. There's a lot of videos for you, right? So ensure you go watch through, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification as always. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be with you guys in the very next